Hello friends, welcome back to your English class. Today we will discuss commercial or display advertisements. In earlier video we discussed that there are two types of advertisements, classified and display. So now in this video we will discuss the second kind of advertisement, that is display, or you can say commercial. The display advertisements are public announcements which are made through newspaper or magazines, TV, radio and cinema in order to promote a product, a service to the people with an aim to raise the demand of it in the market. The aim of this advertisement is to raise the demand. We are to advertise, we are to promote that product or service. This is the ultimate aim of this kind of advertisements. Let us discuss some important features of this display advertisement. First, that is, they are visually attractive, they are eye-catching, they contain logos, photographs and sketches. Content is given in detail, but for CBSE examination point of view, you should take care the word limit prescribed for this answer, and that is 50 words. 50 words. So you should stick to this answer word limit. These kind of ads are used to raise the sale of some product, or raise the enrollments of students in some course, or influence the minds of the masses or motivate them. This use is specifically for political parties or for some motivators. These kind of ads are closed in boxes. They are colorful, attractive and eye-catching. The language used is in accordance to the targeted people. The language we will use according to the audience we supposed that the ad is made for. Slogan, local sayings could also be added in such kind of advertisements. Now have a look at the marking scheme. The question is of 4 marks for CBSE examination point of view. 1 mark is for format, 2 marks for content and 1 mark is for expression part. So the important part is content part. These are the 6 formative elements or the essential part of a commercial ad. First is the name of the product. It could be some material product or it could be a course. Then there could be an agenda if some political party is to publish some kind of a commercial advertisement. Then there could be a theme, and then there should be the image of that product. If some product is to be launched, then its image or its photograph should be printed in that commercial ad. Name of the company is very essential. If some course is there, then its institute name is there. If some agenda will be mentioned, then agenda of what? Agenda of some political party should be there, just to raise or motivate the local people, local masses. Brand logo and slogan could be there. Features, facilities, theme of the product, course or event, all such things are mentioned. If some product is there or some course is there, then if any kind of offer you have been given in the question or you can imagine, then you should mention it. Then at the end of the commercial ad, you should mention the retailing address. Retail address means where from you can purchase this product, or the contact details for the office. So these 6 are the formative elements. Now we will analyze some sample advertisements which I have selected from the national newspapers. But before that, you should read this note because this is very essential. I have taken the advertisements from the e-copy, e-newspapers of some national newspapers, and they are used here only for educational purpose. I am not supporting or promoting any kind of political party, any product of company, course of any institute or university, and these advertisements which I am using in this video are used here just as examples to explain what is display advertisement or commercial advertisement. So here is the first advertisement. We will analyze each and every advertisement, and we will see that what are the formative elements of these ads. Do they differ from what we have discussed earlier, or they are the same? So in this advertisement you can see that a slogan is mentioned here, shaping young minds. Then name of the institute is there, its address is there, and then the title or the product or the thing which they are to promote. So they are to promote the admission process. Now here some captions are given, some photographs are also mentioned. You can use the photographs. Here you can see that some specific features of their institute are mentioned, that innovative curriculum is there, creative experimental learning, child-centric approach, developing positive attitudes. All these are the specific feature of the institute. And then at last they have mentioned the address or the contact details. So you see that these are the constituent parts which we discussed recently. Now come to the second one. Here also the name of the school, photograph is there of some children, then the title for which the display ad has been made, then comes the specific features, and lastly these are the contact details. You can phone or you can reach the website. One more is there. This is advertisement of a bike. The name of the company is there, TVS. Its logo is there, and the specific feature of this product are also mentioned here below. These are the specific features. The photograph is also there, and now at last if I zoom it, you can see that contact details are given. The site address is also there, and for further details please give a missed call to this number. So all these contact details are given. Another one is of a mobile phone, Motorola New Moto G. The name is given there, the logo is there, name of the company is there, photograph, and then specific features of the phone, and lastly the contact details, or you can purchase it through Amazon. Another one, this is by Whirlpool, all kitchen essentials. Whirlpool products sold somewhere in the world every second. Some specific features are mentioned with the photographs, and lastly the contact details are given from where you can purchase. If I zoom it, you can see it clearly. Trade Inquiry, Bangalore, Milan, Ajmera, sorry. These are the details from where we can make our queries to purchase all these products. This advertisement is of car. Logo is there, name of company, brand, then the name of product. Here is the photograph, and specifications: super spacious, ultra modular, India's first, and lastly contact details are also given. So you can see that all these advertisements are having only those 6 constituent parts which we discussed. But for CBSE point of view, I should frankly say that some of the students are not good at making art. If I am asked to prepare the advertisement for the car, I cannot write in 5 or 10 minutes because it will take more time, and question is of 4 marks only. So to simplify it for you people, I have devised a format in which all these 6 formative parts of a commercial ad will fit into, and you will be easy to prepare this advertisement in a better way. Friends, this is a format which I have devised for you people that could be used to prepare the answer for your display advertisement. First, we are to mention the caption, slogan, brand text, or the tagline of the company or institute. Then we have to mention the name of the product and name of the company or institute we are to mention here. Here on both sides we can use any kind of sketch, ready sketch, which we can make within a minute. Then we are to mention some features, some specific features of this product or the institute. Here we can mention any kind of offer if we have, and lastly we are to discuss the details of retail area of the company where from we can purchase this product, or the contact details of the institute or the political party. So this is the basic format which I have devised, and you can fit all those 6 constituent parts in it, and you will see through examples that if you learn this format, you will be quite easy in framing commercial ads. Some do's and don'ts are there for us. First do's and don't is that commercial ad should be eye-catchy. Caption, slogan should be used in accordance with the product or event or course advertised. You can add image or sketch, but it should be neat and creative so as to make it appealing to the readers. You can mention the specific features of the product, details of the course, event, along with the facilities available. Here you can use text or graphics, as we have seen in the advertisements of a mobile phone and in the advertisement of kitchen essentials by Whirlpool company. We saw that the features has been discussed using pictures. Mention the scheme if available and mention the details of the retail area. This is the first example we are taking for our practice. Prepare a commercial advertisement on behalf of the general manager of some company XYZ Coaching Institute, New Delhi, for the promotion of their new crash course of 15 days for IIT JEE examinations along with the test series. They are launching a new crash course of 15 days and for IIT preparations, and they will also conduct test series. So let us test our format. We have started this sample answer with this slogan: crack IIT JEE and ensure a bright future. For a quick revision of the whole syllabus, join a new crash course. The new crash course and test is 15 days only at XYZ Coaching Institute, New Delhi. Here I have mentioned some specific features. ready quick revision notes, digital classroom, e-content is also available, online support for doubts and queries. Here I have mentioned a scheme that 20% discount will be given to the first 25 admissions. And at last I have mentioned the contact details that students can register at this website, or they can visit the institute itself. So this could be taken into as a sample answer. I hope that you will prepare this answer in your notebook for your revision. I have not added here the photographs, because if I will draw the photographs of the institute here, it will be very difficult for you people to draw it in a minute or two, because the question is of 4 marks only, and we cannot waste more time on these sketches. You are to use sketches only which are very handy, which are readily available. We will use in the next example. This is the second example. Prepare a display advertisement for the promotion of sale of a new range of refrigerators by ABC Private Limited, Pune. Invent the rest of the details at your own. We are to invent the details at our own. So this is the sample answer which I have prepared. Here I have started this with a slogan, feel the chill and bring home the coolest refrigerator this summer. ABC Private Limited Pune has launched a new range of coolest refrigerators for small families with bigger space. 2-door refrigerators are there. I have made these ready sketches for you. You can copy them in your notebook, and that will be quite helpful for you if some advertisement of Almirah or refrigerator is given in the question paper. You can use these sketches. Then the specific features are mentioned. First, it is available in 2 or 3 star variant, more spacious and decorative interior, compact and sturdy design, fastest cooling, and here a scheme is given that a gift voucher with every purchase. Lastly, contact details are also given. Contact the authorized dealer in your city or register at our website, that is given here, that is imagined, that is not real actually, for online purchase. This is the sample answer. Students, now I am providing you some readily available sketches which will be of great use for you people in the examination if you practice them 2, 3, 4 times before the examination. I have downloaded them from Google itself. You can also download more. First is of this bike. If some question is there of a bike, car, then comes this is a desert cooler, then TV, fridge, then comes a laptop. If you are to prepare a commercial advertisement for laptop, PC, then comes AC, and lastly furniture. So all these ready sketches will be quite helpful for you in the examination if you make practice of making all those sketches in before. So now friends, it is time for assigning you some home assignment. I hope that you will prepare these home assignments in your notebook. You will prepare the sample answer and send me as comments. First is, prepare a display advertisement for the promotion of sale of a new bike of 160cc by Honda Motors Private Limited with latest features of power start, latest design, and alloy wheel with 80 km per liter average and available in 3 color variants. Invent the rest of the details at your own. You are to invent the other details if necessary. So here you are to use the sketch of that bike I show you. You can make your own bike in the answer as well. Next question is, you are to prepare a commercial advertisement for enhancing the registration of students in the new pre-primary, primary and secondary in Excellence International School. The name of the school is Excellence International School, New Delhi. This is not real name, a fake name I have used here. Invent the rest of the details at your own. So this is all about display or commercial advertisements which we discussed today. From the last 12 years, the question is not appearing in CBSE examination, annual examination. I have not seen in any of the papers, not in the papers of Delhi area, and also not available in the All India CBSE examination papers. But the advertisement topic is mentioned in advanced writing skill, so it is essential for we people to learn it by heart, so that if the question may appear in the examination this year, so it will be easy for you to prepare the answer. Thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. I hope you will like, comment and share my video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.